Hi Vaishali, it's a gorgeous day outside. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing amazing. How are you? How do you like here in Pune?
I love Pune. I'm actually from Pune too. It's my favorite city in the world. I just like to come and just be in Pune. Where are you from?
So I'm basically from Ujjain. Have you heard of Ujjain? It's famous for the temple, especially Mahakaleshwar temple. So I am from Mahakal ki Nagari.
Okay. So do you like Ujjain more or do you like Pune? What's your
Both the cities have completely different vibe.
Yeah.
So as I told you, Ujjain is the city of temples. So there is that traditional, religious, dharmic vibe
Yeah.
that you don't find here in Pune. But Pune has the complete city life, the comfort and everything. So you just can't compare both. Both have their own peace and everything.
So Pune is more like your comfort place and that is more like
Ujjain is my hometown. So, yeah, it's attached very close to my heart. But Pune is my Karm Bhumi.
Okay.
I work here, I live here. So, yeah, I like Pune more because the life here is good.
So what do you do here?
I am a doctor and I am also a nutrition and fitness consultant.
Okay.
So, yeah, I work here in a hospital. I see patients and then I try to give them medicines along with lifestyle changes and therapeutic alternatives.
Okay. What is one fitness tip that you stand by and you give every patient? Like, this is something that everyone should follow definitely.
In fitness, everyone is like, you should skip that, skip doing this, you should not eat this. There are so many myths in the fitness industry. If I start debusting them, it will take another 2 to 3 hours. But fitness is all about staying active. The more active lifestyle you will be having, the more your future will be secured. So I guess active lifestyle is the funda.
Okay. So speaking of fitness, what is your favorite, like, your go-to gym workout or your favorite activity to do?
I do strength training also. I go to the gym as well. But my most favorite part of the fitness is walking. I have that big obsession with 10,000 steps. I don't know how it came on me, but as you can see around me, there is so much space. In Life Republic also, the place I live, the whole passage, the walking passage is so big, and I walk daily in the morning also and in the evening, and I have become obsessed with completing 10 to 13,000 steps. So I enjoy walking more.
Okay, so do you have any like specific memories here at Life Republic that like special and this is something that you'll cherish for the rest of your life?
I enjoy here each and every day. People here are so good. Uh, I have so many friends here, so we regularly meet. We have our meetups and everything. COVID time was good here. It was not. We were not feeling that we are stuck in a pandemic. We are trapped inside the house. We were enjoying the COVID time as well. We were partying. We were having night outs. So yeah, there are so many memories.
Okay, and Life Republic is sort of known for like all the events that happen here. So do you have
Yes.
any like favorite festival or like anything that happened recently?
Pune is known for Ganpati's festival. So yeah, I enjoy the Ganpati festival here so much. The vibe here is very different. Like you can roam around the whole city and there is this aesthetic and so different vibe. And along with that, I enjoy all the festivals here. Recently there was on 22nd January, and there was the inauguration of Ram Temple. So we also had our rally sort of here in Life Republic. So we were having fun. We were dancing on Ramji's songs, and it was good.
Okay, have you found any like what's your favorite hangout spot here in Pune? Have you found any good restaurants, anything nearby?
Actually, because of all the dieting and everything, I don't usually go to places. But yeah, there is one nearby. The same I told you about Mezzanine. It's actually good. The food is good here.
Yeah.
Me and my husband are on a weight loss journey, so we try avoid going out and we prefer home cooked meals.
Do you have any like specific spots at home where you like to eat your meals or you like to drink your coffee?
My balcony is my go-to place. We have our setup of bean bags there, and we just sit there. We talk about our day. We chill there. We listen to music there. So my balcony is my go-to spot of my home.
Are you more of like a chai person or a coffee person?
I am more of a coffee person. I usually have my tea just one in the morning, but I can have 2 to 3 cups of coffee every day.
What's your go-to coffee order? If you had to, like, if you go to a coffee shop, this is what you get regularly.
A plain cappuccino, that too without sugar. I just love it.
Because
Yes, because not just because of the fitness thing. I like it since I've started drinking coffee, I've been more towards the cappuccino side.
I actually hate coffee, and the only time I drink coffee is when it's drenched in sugar, and all my friends really judge me for it. They're always like, this is not coffee, this is like milkshake or something. So I really don't understand, but great. So what does a typical day in your life look like?
I'm a morning person, so I get up in the morning around 5:40. Wake up my husband. It's also a huge task for me. Then we have our black coffee, and then we go to the gym. We have a workout of around 1.5 hour. Then we come back home, have our breakfast, and I prepare our tiffins. I live in a joint family here, so I have a huge support from my mother-in-law and sister-in-law. So get our tiffins packed, we get ready. I go to the hospital, my husband goes to his office. I come during lunchtime if there are no patients, or I just do my lunch there only. And I come at home around 4:30. So I have this morning shift only in the hospital. Then in the evening, I go for my walk. So from R7, my sector, to the main gate of the Life Republic, it's a patch of around 2.5 kilometers, and I finish it daily. So I go for my walk. It's a walk for 40-45 minutes. Then I come back home. We prepare our dinner and everything. I study a little bit and then binge watch something and go to sleep.
So if you had to describe your life at Kote Patil in one word, how would you describe it?
The best quality here is that the calmness of this place. Like the environment is really serene, and you don't feel like it's very peaceful.
Yeah.
Apart from the city life, this is kind of excluded from the city life, and it's very peaceful here.
That's
So
a treat.
yes, you don't have to go near the mountains or anything. It's so peaceful here.
Come to Life Republic.
Yes.
Okay, take care. Okay, thank you. That's all for today, and thank you so much for your time. And I am definitely going to talk to you for some fitness tips after this interview.
Okay, thank
you so
you.
much.